What if I told you that losing everything, my health, my career, and even my sense of purpose was the best thing that ever happened to me? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. And today, I'm going to show you how I turn rock bottom into the foundation for the healthiest, happiest, and most fulfilling version of my life. Welcome to Rico Nova. This is my story, and it might just change yours too. Just over a year ago, I felt like my life was falling apart. At 33, I was diagnosed with colon cancer, a word no one wants to hear. On top of that, I was struggling with chronic pain that made every day feels impossible. And as if that wasn't enough, I got laid off from my job. I remember lying awake at night thinking, why is this happening to me? But what I didn't realize then was that these challenges weren't the end of my story. They were the beginning of a new chapter. I had two choices: let these challenges define me or use them to redefine myself. So I decided to fight. I dove deep into understanding my body, my mind, and my purpose. I started asking questions like, what is my body really capable of? How can I heal myself naturally? What kind of life do I truly want to live? Through research, trial and error, and sheer determination, I discovered a powerful truth. The body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you give it the right tool. I began focusing on detoxing, eating healing foods, managing my stress, and shifting my mindset. That transformation led me here to Rico Nova. I created this platform because I know I'm not the only one who faced these challenges. Whether you're battling illness, dealing with job loss, or just trying to figure out how to create a healthier, freer, and richer life, I want you to know you're not alone. Through my content, I share the tools, strategies, and inspiration that help me rebuild my life so you can start transforming yours. And here's what you can expect from Rico Nova: health transformation, easy to follow detox plan, healing recipes, and practical tips to reclaim your health. Personal growth, tools to overcome life's challenges and build a mindset for success. Financial freedom, strategies to create an abundant life and escape the 9-to-5 grind. I'm tired of us always surviving. Life isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest health or life challenge right now? Drop it in the comments, because I'm here to help. And if you're ready to join a community of people transforming their lives, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's take this journey together. Remember, you have the power to heal, grow, and create a life you love. Welcome to Rico Nova. Let's get started.